San Antonio Fire Department and Police Department were dispatched to the 2800 block of Depla for an animal bite. Ladder 33 and Medic 33 responded to this incident. Reports from the Ladder 33 crew that as they rounded the corner, they could see a gentleman being dragged by a dog. They could see him completely bloodied before they got off of the fire truck. This is not something normal for us. We usually don't show up and have to defend patients from animals or ourselves. The firefighters were very heroic in this instance, fighting off these pit bulls with pickaxes and pike poles to try to get to the patients. During that time, one of the captain on the ladder was bitten in the leg. Thankfully, he is okay. Unfortunately, we do have two people that were mauled by these dogs. We're confirming the fatality of a approximately 80-year-old male who was treated, given whole blood on the scene and transported, along with a female that is a priority 1 in critical condition. She was also transported. They are both at UH at this time. We have reports of another individual with a bite to the hand that has been transported at this time. So again, horrific scene, horrific for the people that experienced this, and again, horrific for our firefighters that were a part of this, basically a rescue to save themselves and to save these people that